Ever wished you could post more than one image in one Instagram story post? With the new layout feature, you can. Now let's get started. Open Instagram and tap the camera icon in the top left corner. At the bottom, select Layout. Now you can choose the grid layout you want to use. You can have 2, 3, 4, or 6 images in your collage depending on which grid you select. Now it's time to add pictures to the grid. You can snap a new photo by tapping the large circle at the bottom, or upload one from your device by tapping the square in the bottom left corner. The grid will be filled in order from left to right and top to bottom, so be mindful that the pictures have to be taken or added in that order. If you want to delete the last image you took or added, tap the Delete button. When you're done adding all your photos to the grid, tap the check mark at the bottom. Now you can add filters, stickers, text, and draw on your finished collage if you like. When you're done, go ahead and post it to your story. That's all there is to using the new layout feature for Instagram stories.